Yo, what is up guys? This is Hadi from Hadi Tech, back with another video. In today's video we're gonna be talking about Whop again, but we're gonna be showing you a decent website that enables you to create multiple AI generated videos or UGC videos in order to post them on Whop for free. This website is actually free for 30 days, and you can use it to your advantage to actually make some money on Whop. In the last video we have actually talked about Whop as well. We have explained the platform and we have discussed every possible thing that you can think of in order to make money on that platform. We have established that Whop is a platform that actually enables a lot of people to earn money just by posting short video content. But like I said, if you don't have any knowledge of creating video content, video editing, all of that, you can use AI tools, and we have mentioned a couple in the last video, but today's website is the cherry on top, literally. Before we jump into this video, kindly drop a like, comment down below. If you have any question, you can definitely reach out to me on my social media. You have my Instagram and my email, and I will definitely reach back. And also, if you have more stuff that you want to see on the channel, also let me know. With that out of the way, let's just jump into our video. In the previous video we have mentioned two types of content. The first content is actually called clipping, and the second option is called UGC. And in today's video we're going to be focusing on UGC content, user generated content. We're going to generate this content using AI, and you're gonna see the output, like, it's definitely high quality. You cannot really distinguish whether it's AI or a true video. So yeah, let's just do that. The first thing that you need to do is just go ahead and click on discover. Okay, and like I said, for the people that don't know how Whop and how this platform works, you need to watch the previous video. And let's just go ahead and scroll to the content rules. Let's just expand this tab right here, and let's just look for an offer that we can promote. Let's just go to category, and let's just select the e-commerce, and let's just click on sentence, because I've used this offer before. I've worked on this offer, I should say. And let's just click on open Whop, and in here it will just take us to the tab offer. And the first thing that I do truly advise people to do in Whop is just go ahead to the earn tab and just select the offer that is actually ongoing right now, which is this, I suppose. Let's just click on it. All right, yeah, there we go. This is our offer that we're going to be promoting. And let's just scroll down a bit, and as you can see, we got some videos from users that actually earned money promoting this offer. And as you can see, this person have actually made about $70 from just this video, and this is a UGC type of video. And just let's take a look at it.
Rising supplement, so I figured I'd give it a shot. I picked up these scentless capsules.
It's a primitive way of actually editing videos, but it's effective. As you can see, the dude made money from it. He's pretty much used a green screen filter, and he's talking on top of the background video. So this is what we're gonna achieve using this AI website. All right, so let's just scroll to the second one. For example,
or generally have bad odor, I think you should try scentless. Unlike traditional deodorant,
this guy have actually made $150 just by using his voice. It's just like a voiceover on top of the stock video. So as you can see, it's a lucrative way of making money. Like, you have no clue how much money you can make just by doing simple stuff on Whop. All right, and you can scroll all the way down to see what the users are making. Let's just check this one.
About body odor, meet scentless.
As you can see, it's just a voice over AI type of thing. We have all seen these type of videos on TikTok. It's just just simple videos, but people are earning from it. So yeah, let's just skip and cut to the chase. Let's just create our video. So what you need to do is just scroll all the way up and click on the offer again. And usually in the offer you're gonna have the access folder or link. Let's just click on it, and yeah, let's just open it. And you can have multiple folders in here. Usually some of them are example, and some of them are the stock footage that you need to make the video. So you can view the shots right here. Okay, you can view them all, see which one that you like, and download them. All right, so once you download the videos from the assets folder, I need you to go to this website. It's called Pipit. The link will be in the description down below. Click on it. It will just take you to pipit.com, and it is actually a tool owned by CapCut. And the first thing that you need to do is just create your account. You just simple as put in your email, password, and yeah, that's that. Then come up here to the video generator, and the first thing that you need to do is click add media and start uploading the videos that you downloaded. Okay, the stock videos that you downloaded. Click on upload and just upload your videos. I would recommend actually uploading more than 4 videos, and that way you have more footage to actually work with and more diverse output. Okay, so yeah, make sure to do that. We're just gonna be showing you the whole process, and feel free to experiment on your own. Also, make sure to carefully pick your hook shots. You can always go back to the folder, download even more, and experiment with these as well. Once you upload your footage, click on edit more, and in the first tab you're gonna put in the product name. So we're gonna put scentless. Let's just go back to our WAP, click on scentless. Okay, let's just do order eliminate and pale, and let's just follow that with scentless. Well, let's just put in scentless. Okay, let's just copy the name just like that. Okay, put in scentless order limit and pale, and for the introduction, all you need to do is go to ChatGPT and tell him to generate you a introduction for this product. Okay, so let's just do that. I have actually used the integrated Copilot AI from Edge, so let's just put in our introduction. Like I said previously, you can use ChatGPT. In the brand, let's just put in scentless. All right, you can put in the logo as well. You can download the logo from the assets link and upload the logo. And in the category, let's just looking for fashion and beauty. Okay, and let's just see if we have healthcare as well. Let's just do these two and click confirm. All right, let's just close in this tab, and let's just go to the target audience, and let's just add these target audience. Let's do individual seeking order control. Let's just do that, and let's just do this as well. And for the more info, you can put in just, for example, more highlights about this product. You can generate these as well from ChatGPT, and scroll all the way down. You can also edit the holiday or the festivities for this type of product. You can add that. If you don't want it, it's fine. Then you can scroll all the way down to smart match, and you can use or change the avatar that you want to use. Excuse me. So you got multiple avatars. Like I said, you cannot really distinguish or tell the difference between this type of avatar and a real person. So choose whatever avatar that you are comfortable with. You can choose by the age, gender, figure, name, etc. All of that. And you can also customize the voice. You can use any type of voice in here. I usually leave it as smart voice, and then let's just select the length, and let's just put it to 30 seconds, and the language obviously is English, and the size is 19 by 16, and click on generate, and just like that your videos are being generated. So our videos are being generated, and as you can see, we got multiple options to choose from. All you need to do is just give these like a thorough scan and see which one that you like the most, so you can really start posting these on your social media. So let's check this one, for example.
Disrupt your sense of peace. Introducing scentless odor eliminating pill, the perfect solution for your discomfort. With its revolutionary,
as you can see, guys, it's just well perfected made video. If you ask me, these type of videos are really good for marketing, and yeah, like I said before, you can choose whatever video that you like from these and start
Great question.
uploading these to your social media. So let's just, for example, export this one. Click on export. Okay, and if you have started your free trial, you can download these videos without a watermark. So click no watermark and choose the resolution that you want. Let's just select 1080p, quality recommended, frame rate 30 fps, format MP4, and click on download, and just like that your download will start. So on to the last step. Like I said, we have showed you to create these videos with ease using AI, so you will not break any sweat. All you need to do is just put multiple of these videos on your social media, whatever social media platform that you are using. Let's just say, for example, you have, gained some traffic and your videos are actually getting views, and you want to submit the video. Come up here and click on the offer, click on submit, and all you need to do is just, fill in your details. In here, you need to provide the link to that reel, okay? And you need to upload the video itself, which video that got viral, and scroll down here and click on submit, and that's all. That's how you submit your videos and start making money on Whop. So that was it for our today's video. If you found it quite helpful, please drop a like, comment down below, because we truly appreciate those. And yeah, take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.